Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to do motion tracking in Inshot. So if you watch this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to do motion tracking in Inshot. So first, we're going to start by ensuring we have the Inshot app installed on our devices, which can be available on the Apple Play Store. And as you can see, I have mine. And then second thing, we're going to launch the Inshot application on our devices. From here, we're going to tap on the video button and upload a video. So once our video has been imported, we're going to tap on the video clip on the timeline to select it. We're going to tap on sticker, then we're going to tap on detail. We're going to tap on the mosaic tool. Then I'm going to place where I want the mosaic tool to be. I'm going to tap on OK. From here, I'm going to adjust it up to where I want the motion tracking to end. Now, this is not a good one. Let's say somewhere like here. So somewhere like here, I want this video to end here. I want it to start here to end there. I'm going to place where I want the mosaic effect to be. From here, I'm going to tap on track. I'm going to enter. So I'm going to start tracking. That's how you can do motion tracking on Inshot step by step. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.